Good day everyone, mga kapongers, mga ka-allright. Today is the day 21 of our daily message. Before I share today's message, I would like to recognize a few important people. First, a special shout out to my good friend of and Katbabata in table tennis, Coach Alex De La Cruz. He is now the coach of Verdad Christian School in Apalit, Pampanga. Malapit ng Clara. Meet this April 9 in Aurora Province. And he will be representing Pampanga. Good luck, my friend. I salute your dedication and service to our beloved sport. And of course, syempre, a very happy birthday to one of our national women's team members, Angel Laude, SEA Games bronze medalist in SEA Games.
Happy birthday, Angel Laude! Yay!
We are proud of you. Continue to inspire and bring honor to our country. Mga kabongers, let's greet her a bongga way of greetings. Happy birthday to her, okay? And I also want to take this moment to say thank you to everyone. Napapansin ko, parami ang nag-share ng ating daily message. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, sa inyong suporta, mga kapongers. Dahil sa inyo, mas marami pa tayong naabot at napapalago ang table tennis sa Pilipinas. Thank you so much. Now let me share today's message. Alright, today I want to talk about something very important. Hard work versus smart work. Alright, many athletes believe that working hard is enough. Train longer, train harder, pagurin ang sarili, and yes, hard work is important. But here is the truth. Hard work without direction can lead to slow progress. That is why we also need smart work. Smart work means training with a clear plan, focusing on weaknesses, improving your technique, listening to your coach, understanding the game. Yan, just like here. Hindi lang basta pagod. Dapat may purpose ang bawat training. In table tennis, it's not about hitting 1,000 balls without thinking. It's about hitting the right ball with the right technique at the right time. So to all our young athletes out there, work hard, yes, tama yan, but also work smart. Combine both and you will improve faster. Because champions are not only hardworking, they are also intelligent in their training. So, and if you believe in this message, mga kapongers, tulungan nyo akong i-share ito para mas marami pa tayong mabot at mapalago ang table tennis sa Pilipinas. This is Coach Sting again. And this is the day 21 of our daily message. See you again, mga kapongers, from the world of table tennis. Bye!